Hello everyone, it's Mike here. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a cool sales funnel trick that the experts use, but they don't tell you about, okay? Better yet, this trick takes like 10 seconds to implement to any of the sales funnels you may have on ClickFunnels, okay? So, I've already built this funnel you see here to show you this secret, and as an added bonus, I have provided the link so you can have this exact funnel for free, okay? Again, this funnel is yours if you want it. All you have to do is click on the link, all right? Okay, so before we apply the trick to this funnel, I first want to explain the philosophy of why this trick works, okay? Now, don't worry if you're not familiar with ClickFunnels. I'll explain in a very simple manner. Now, when a potential customer is at this page, the purpose is for them to give their email here and then click this red button, which in turn, it sends you their email address, and then they're essentially like a lead, right? That's why we make these pages. They're called opt-in pages. That's kind of one of the main purposes we make these pages in the first place, okay? Now, in this case, you're sending them a free video. Of course, you can change this if you'd like. And then you see basically a screenshot of a video over here, okay, as an image. So here's where psychology really comes into play. And as internet users, it has been proven that people on the internet are usually also image clickers, right? In quotes, image clickers. Hopefully that's not. Hopefully that doesn't sound offensive. I don't know. I don't think I've ever heard the term image clickers very much. But hey, that's what we're going to call them. People are image clickers sometimes. Okay, don't worry if you are. We all are probably. Now, if someone sees this image here, then they're probably pretty likely to click on it. And especially in this case, if it looks like a screenshot of a video, I mean, we're almost programmed to think, well, here, it looks like a screenshot. If I press this, it's going to play. But not necessarily in ClickFunnels world, okay? So if you've done a lot of web design in the past, you'll probably certainly understand this concept. But even if you haven't, a lot of times images on the internet can be made into a link, which will link to another website, okay, if clicked. And that seems like a good thing to do, right? And it is. But there's an even better thing to do, and that's this trick that I am going to teach you, okay? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and preview this funnel page here. And this is what it would look like to a potential customer that's coming to this page. Now, this is what their experience is going to be like, right? They're essentially going to enter their email address in here and click this button. Now, I want you to note this. If they click this button and they don't have their email address in there, watch what happens. It highlights it in red. It's basically, this is required to move any further in this funnel. It's required to get this video over here that they see a representation of, okay? So there's a certain benefit to that, okay? Now, even if people stop right at this step and don't put their email address in, they notice that that's how they have to get further, okay? That's how they have to get this video, all right? So this is the trick. So instead of having an image clicker click on this and go to like a website or something, or go nowhere, what you do is this. In the options here, so basically go and hit the settings here, the image settings for this element, and it brings up the control panel here for this image, okay? What you want to do is, you see over here, it says link URL, and then you can add in, like if you wanted it to go to a website, you just add it in there, right? Here's what you should do instead, okay? go to submit form. All right. So that's basically telling ClickFunnels here that when someone clicks on this image, again, which isn't really a video, it's just a screenshot of the video. When someone clicks on this image, it's going to submit this information, okay? So you might say, well, how is that going to help, right? So here's the thing. Let me show you. So remember how we said, get this video, they hit that and they notice that if their email address isn't in there, they can't go any farther. They can't get the video, right? Okay, so look what happens now. Here, I'll preview again. Look what happens now when we click the image, okay? Watch what happens. It does that same thing. It lets them know that they cannot move forward in the sequence of your funnel. They can't get this video unless they fill out their email, okay? And that's great, especially in this instance where it's a video, because since they clicked on that, they were already settled in their mind. They were I'm gonna watch this video. So now they clicked on the video, it doesn't play, and they see that to progress and to get the video, they have to enter their email address, okay? So again, this is a super powerful trick. It's a trick that the experts don't teach you, and it's just something very simple that you can implement in like 10 seconds. Honestly, it'll probably take you less than 10 seconds to implement this and set it up on any funnel that you might have, okay? Again, if you want this funnel, go ahead, follow that link, and this entire funnel is yours for free, okay? Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.